Hey Dad, Kevin here. This is going to be your demo video to show you how to change the prices for all the smoothies at Nine Fruits. I wanted to do a screen capture for you that would have been a little cleaner, but unfortunately it won't let me do that on my PC, so this is being filmed with my iPhone, so bear with me here. I'm going to go to the mymicros.net website and enter in the credentials here, just the ones you gave me in the email. I'm going to click login. That's going to bring up the ES site right here. I'm going to go over to where it says Tools on the left hand side. You can see where it says Tools. And I'm going to click Tools, and then within Tools, the third item down, it says EMS. That stands for Enterprise Maintenance Services. So I'm going to click that, and it's going to bring up a separate window here, and I need to log in again using the same credentials. You can see, so I'm just going to put in that password again. Sorry if this is a little blurry. You should be able to see the gist of it here. Okay, so that's going to pull up the EMS window, and this is where the magic happens. You're able to add menu items, edit menu items, modify prices, add and edit discounts, and edit tax rates, all within the EMS. So for this project, we're going to hit modify prices. And you'll see this brings up a larger window with some filter options here, and then on the right it allows you to select certain family groups or major groups or family groups. So for this, I'm going to select family groups here, and you'll see it's going to bring up the list of all of our family groups: catering, combos, ingredients, etc., etc. I'm going to click on smoothies, and I'm going to go down and hit OK. Now I'm going to go up to where this button that says search is. I'm going to click on the search button, and you'll see that brings up a list of all the smoothies on our menu. So I'm actually going to have to manually click on every one of these. For some reason there's not a select all option, at least that I could find. So I'm just going to go through here. There's a couple of items like freebie cards and pizza slices that I'm not sure why they're in here. I'm not going to check those, but I'm going to check every other smoothie and make sure I double check that I've got them all. Alright, I think that's it. So once I've got those all highlighted, I'm going to come down here to where it says next and click next. Now you'll see it brings up the option that lets you choose which locations. You can either do all of them by checking on that top box up here, or just one of them, or once we have multiple locations, it's really cool, you can pick and choose. So since that's the way I want it, I'm going to go down and click next. Now it brings up a list of every individual menu item at each of the two stores, and it allows you to do some more filtering. You can set an actual price if you just wanted to set one price for all the smoothies, or you can adjust prices. So we're going to go in and actually make a 10-cent adjustment, where you see where I put in 10 cents, and you either choose units or percent. So obviously units, dollars in this case, is what we want, and then there's a button that says set. I'm not going to do any rounding, so I'm just going to hit set, and you can see where that automatically just went in and updated and increased the prices on all those smoothies by 10 cents. So next I'm going to go down and hit next. And now I have the option of whether I want to publish this change now, which is automatically highlighted, or you can create a new batch and give it a name. And if you wanted to try and time this with when the new menu boards go up, you can actually choose a date and time for it to go into effect. And even if you wanted to roll it back, then you can also set a rollback time, which is really cool. So once you choose your option, whether you want to publish now or later, the last thing you'll do is just go down and hit that next button again, and that should publish it right away. I'm not going to do that because I want you to go through this and learn how to do it on your own, but just walk through those steps and you should be able to set the prices and let me know how it works out.